You get in my head, you twist on my head. I'm changing for you, changing for you.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really to throw you out.
Hey, so my birthday is June 7th. Today is June the 4th. I have 2 days until my birthday. Yeah, it's 5:40 at night. Just left from getting my eyebrows done, a nail salon the day before my birthday, something like that. I'm coloring my wig. I'm gonna put it on myself, and my lashes, I'm gonna do that myself. Right now I have on this hat because I had my wig on, but I had it black, but I decided like randomly that I wanted to color it. So my hair is getting colored. Let me show you guys. This is my wig. Y'all, I know I look a mess. Like, I just know I look a mess. But if you came this far, thank y'all so much. Make sure y'all comment so I can know. Like, comment all the way through if you made it this far, because you is a real one. Because I look a mess. I'm about to do my lashes, my bottoms, and everything. Like, I'm finna do them.
People asking me what ceramic studio I like to go to. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna tell you guys. And the reason I'm not gonna tell you guys is because I'm a firm believer in gatekeeping. I have such a love-hate relationship with social media right now, because it's like, yes, I am an influencer in quotations. My job is to influence. If you're doing a great job influencing, other people are going to cling on to whatever you're influencing them to do, or to buy, to eat, or things like that. Or, you know, like, that's how the power of social media works. And honestly, I've literally seen it happen firsthand. I love the fruit riots, frozen grapes. I gatekept those for such a long time because they're so good. Like, I literally love them so much. But I knew once social media got a hold of them, I just knew that they were going to start being sold out. And then slowly but surely, more people started showcasing them on their platforms. And now look, it's so hard for me to find them. I literally have to wake up early in the morning and go to the store as soon as they're putting them out, as soon as they're restocking the store. Like, I shouldn't. You think I spent $300 or something for these tickets for me not to be able to record? I'm gonna record. I was having a great time. Oh my god, I had so much fun. It brings tears to my eyes just thinking about it all over again, because for one, it was such a beautiful show. The story of the Lion King.
Okay, you guys, so it's taking me quite some time to do my lashes because they have to be perfect. Like, I do. I mean, I'm liking them so far, but it's taking me some time. Like, I have an hour and 30 minutes before work. It's 8:20 to get these things on. It really is truly taking me some time. I called out, y'all, like I was telling y'all, I wasn't feeling very good. Like, I wasn't feeling good emotionally yesterday. So I called out to my second job this morning, like at 3 a.m. Mind you, I had to be there at 7:30. So I mean, child, you have to do what you have to do for you. Like, you have to do what you have to do for yourself. And I am so big on that because, child, I have to take care of me before I can take care of anybody else. I'm a caregiver. If my mental is not, if I'm not okay, then I am not okay. I cannot force being okay. It doesn't work like that. Like, I'm so sorry, it doesn't. So far, this is what we working with, and I'm really in love. Like, let me change. Yeah, in this life, you really have to be grateful for what you have. Like, you cannot look at what other people have. Like, you have to be grateful for what you have, what God gifted you. because you don't know someone else's story. Like, you don't know what somebody else had to do to get what they got. So you just gotta be positive, y'all. You gotta keep positive and just keep going. Like, it's almost over, y'all. The storm is not gonna last always. Like, it's not what it's supposed to do. My lashes, on the other hand, baby, I'm looking good. I don't even look like the same person, period. Hey, y'all. So I got 10 minutes until I have to be on the clock. My job is really right down the road, so it's no biggie about that, really. I'm gonna be late though, but not that late. The hair is giving. The hair is not done though. Like, it's not done. And then it's not even like flattering up curls. It's just, child, I'm just gonna go make my money and come home. So yeah. Next, I need to put my hair on. I need to fix my wig, and then I need to go get my nails done. And then that's the prep, baby. That's the prep.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start?
Oh, child. Hey, y'all. Good morning. Yes, I still have this on my head, but we're working on it. Today is June. Hold on. Let me find what I'm looking for, y'all. So I can tell. June the 6th. Tomorrow is my birthday. So yeah, like, I'm finna go get me a workout. I just gotta work at 6. It's now 7:48 in the morning, a.m. Yes, ma'am.
I be feeling like I don't be popping enough, I be humble. I'ma get they talk to me, they paying me. I probably say the word nigga too much. I'm a real nigga, I don't be getting
Changing for you, you get in my head. Around the corner on my head. I got too much to just like you said.
Ooh, I don't want no girl.
Say that you're gonna be yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be, yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be, yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna
Like no one ever did. I love playing fitness. It was just too many people in there for me. Like, it was so many people. So now I am finna go to, so I worked out at the gym. I worked out at the gym at my apartment. So that's where y'all saw me. Now I'm finna go to deposit my check so I can have my money for my birthday tomorrow. So I can have all my money.
Please fasten driver seat belt.
So yeah, today this is gonna be the last day of this vlog, and then the next vlog. I'm so out of breath. I need to stop talking out of breath. I really do. But let me. My tank is on freaking E. I'm on E. I need to get gas. Videos to be like everybody else videos. I feel like it's very repetitive. Like everybody does the same thing. Like everybody trying to get that life together. Like, let's talk about it for real. Let's talk about it for real. Everybody is trying to get their life together on YouTube. Like, bro, I'm just gonna vlog. Just gonna vlog, and whatever it come out, that's how it come out. Like, I ain't gonna lie though, I be trying to get my life together too, but like every video, you trying to get your life together, you trying to be productive. Like, girl, in my opinion, it just doesn't give. Like, every freaking vlog you trying to get your life together, it's like, and bro, I ain't gonna lie, we eat it up. And I say we because I watch it too. We eat it up. But for me, when like me personally, this is a way to be creative. So why am I trying to recreate other people's videos? Let's talk about it. For instance. Cool, I'm gone. Oh, what's this? Athletic Club and Spa. I feel like I'm see what this is. Athletic Club and Spa. Athletic Club and Spa. So do they like do Zumba here? He walking. Do y'all want to come in with me? I'm kind of shy, but I'll take you guys. I'll take you guys on my phone though. Bitch, ain't finna. Well, I guess I could. I guess I could just hold it like this and just hold my phone like this. Okay. Cool. Okay. I just want to know what this is. Athletic Club and Spa. What is it? I don't know.
You mean just
do they have, yeah, like, do they have like Zumba and stuff? Or
so we have group exercise. There's Pilates classes and then there's also swimming, sports, recovery, and stuff.
oh, okay. Do y'all have like a paper or everything, or is it online or something? It's so nice in here. I can't afford it though, but it's nice. I like it, baby. So that place was so freaking nice. Like, it was so nice. Am I going to go there? Maybe later on though. Not no time soon. I don't have the funds for it right now. I really don't. So no time soon, but hopefully soon, because that was so freaking nice. But I just don't see myself paying that much. It was really nice though, and I didn't see nobody but white people though, so I would be the only black girl. It was nice. It was only $150, so that's not bad. I mean, not $150, $130. Alright, hey y'all, so it is now later on in the day. It's 5 o'clock. I'm finna to finally put my wig on. I woke up at 4. It's a nail shop that I want to go to today. So they close at 7. So if I can get there about 6, I should be good. Oh, my camera is dead. What the fuck? Okay, cool. I'm using it.
I'll turn this wig off.
I got you on camera.
I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna say you.
Actually, I got something for you to do. I have some clothes in the washer that needs to be in the dryer. My hair looks so good. This color is everything. Period. I got a lot to do. The part needs to be done. What was that, babe?
It's a part.
That was not a part. Babe!
Oh, put your hair apart.
That's not a part. Stop. No. I'm talking about the part right here.
Oh, you're talking about the scalp.
Yes, the part. The scalp.
You gotta do to it, put lotion.
Get out.
Oh, you can put lotion right there.
Intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed, never fun is not as advertised. There's got to be more than here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern, floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, all be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah. Karma's really real. How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong, though. You are brave, I need faith. Better believe you. Better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me, only you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only make me your matter. Make me your matter. Make me your matter. Show me a sign. Make me a blessing. Make me a blessing. Give me one break, I need faith. Better believe you. Better receive you. Give me something I'm lacking. I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only me and you. Only
Look at my
me and
hair!
So you done?
Oh, I wish my dress was black, bro. I wish my dress was black. It would eat so bad. I'm trying to hurry up. So I gotta go. Okay. So I'm gonna go get my nails done.
Got diamonds on her arm, diamonds in her ear. She even wear that diamonds for a year.